Good morning, babies. Welcome to your English class. And in our today's class, we are going to revise letter A and letter B. So this is Mama letter A and baby letter A. Now let's revise the sound of letter A.
And for my arm, and for my arm, and for my arm, they're causing me alarm. Hi, how are you? Which alphabet am I talking about? Tell me quickly. Yes, you got it right. I'm talking about A. Letter A. A for apple. Apple. Yes, you remember that? Come, let's do a recap of things that starts with letter A or the sound A.
That's an alligator. What is it? Alligator. That's an ant. Ant. Axe. So we just saw there's so many objects that start with letter A or the sound A. Yes?
So babies, like you all have mamas. Similarly, all the letters also have mama letters. We all know how to write baby letters, right? But today we will learn how to write mama letters. It is very easy. You want to learn that? Come, I'll tell you. So, I will first teach you on a salt tray. How do we write? Mama letter is very simple. We will first make one slant line, another slant line, and we shall join it. Is it simple? Easy? Come, I'll show you again. One slant line, another slant line, and a cut in between. Yes, is it easy?
Now let's revise letter B. So this is Mama letter B and baby letter B. And you know what, babies? It's our Barbie's birthday today.
And today is a special day. Today is my Barbie's birthday. You want to meet my Barbie? Hi everyone. My Barbie is going to teach you letter B. And what is the sound that letter B makes? B. B. B as in Barbie. And you want to see Barbie's bag? See my Barbie's bag. Bag starts with letter B with the sound B. B. This is my Barbie's bottle. B. B. Bottle. And when she goes to the market, she collects vegetables in this lovely basket. And now she's going to the park, and that's why she's carrying her bat and ball. Now she wants to go to the school, so she will go in the school bus. Bus. And now she's feeling hungry. Let's give her a burger. Burger. Barbie is happy now. Now let's wish her birthday. Happy birthday, Barbie. Alright, now let's do letter B song. Bring your bat and bring your ball. Come on. Ready? Bring your bat and bring your ball. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. Hi, So we are going to do the fine motor activity now. Fine motor activity does not mean that we have to do only coloring or scribbling in our workbooks or tear and paste. Fine motor means any activity which brings strength in your fingers, which requires eye and hand coordination. So today we are going to do a very nice bread and butter activity. I will teach you how you can help your mama in the kitchen by applying butter on the bread. It seems very easy, but believe you me, it is not that simple for you. Come into my kitchen. So babies, you have to take 2 slices of bread, bread and butter, and this is my butter knife. Now we are going to apply this butter on this bread slice, and when you're doing it, please don't take your mama's help. This is very good activity for your finger muscles. Let's do it. See, I have taken melted butter. If the butter is not melted, you can keep it in the oven or microwave for 10 or 15 seconds. See, take this bread in your left hand and the knife in your right hand. So, slowly and slowly apply this butter on your bread. Now you can see my bread is ready. Now you can take another slice of bread and apply butter on it. So my another slice is also ready. You can see. Now I am going to put this slice on the top of another slice. Now we are going to the kitchen to make a yummy butter toast. Come with me. So now I am going to put my bread in the toaster. You can do it yourself with your mama's help, and close it now. We will wait for 5 minutes. Now let's see. Oh, our sandwich is ready. Enjoy your sandwich. Babies, now I will tell you few gross motor activities with letter B. Gross motor skills are those which require whole body movement and which involve the large muscle of the body to perform everyday functions. Gross motor skills are important to enable children to perform everyday functions such as walking and running, playground skills and sporting skills. So now I hope you have understood that these activities are very important and crucial for everyday self-care skills like dressing up. Okay, so let me teach you few very nice and easy activities. Okay, so the first game with letter B is you have to crawl in your house like a bear. Bear. Very good. See, a cute little bear is coming. Great. All right, ready for the second game?
Yes, ma'am.
So now you have to catch a ball. It is a very good gross motor activity. Ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Great, well done. Okay, so the third game is my balloon activity. In this activity, you have to play with the balloon. But the twist is The balloon should not fall down. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Great. And the last activity is ride a bicycle. Come on, you can do it in your corridor. Only go out when it is safe. It is a very nice gross motor activity.
So babies, that's it for today. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.